Stop by and take a look at the 2026 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, integrated turn signal mirrors. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.